Do you want to do the first one?
Ooh.
Ooh, that's cool. Hey guys, Georgiana is here. She cheated on me with this, so her hair was down to here. But luckily, I get a haircut to make things up. You ready for it?
So?
Are you guys ready for it? Don't forget to hit all the buttons like every YouTuber says. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever. We're gonna have some fun. See you at the end. Do you want to do the first one? Ooh, that's cool.
Ooh.
That's badass. Are you gonna do a second one? Hey, I'm out of a job. Damn.
I did all the work for you.
That's cool. Now I want to do some too.
Sounds like a
This is gonna feel weird as well.
It does feel weird.
Bam.
Who's this? It's me.
Ooh, that was slippery. Yeah, like a yellow wet floor caution. All right, that's it guys, we're done. What a cool change. Here's the long hair. Here's the before and the after. You look incredible.
Thank you. How are you?
Thanks for coming in and for the trust. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit all the buttons, thumbs up, subscribe. Help me out big time. And I'll see you, and who knows you, in the next video.